So here is the best part. If you're done using it, you can simply unscrew the pen. It takes literally 1 minute and that's it. You're done. You can now use your printer as usual. And then if you need the pen, you can put it back. You don't really need to remove this part and you're all set. Hi everyone. So if you have a CR Touch but want to add or install a pen holder, it's usually over here and the CR Touch will get in the way. I do have a CR Touch on my Ender 3, so I've designed this pen holder that can sit on top of the CR Touch like so. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install it. Now let's do the installation. I have this piece that will go right on top of the CR Touch. And this way, you don't have to modify or remove anything from the printer. I did look up some other pen holders, but most of them will not fit really well if you have a CR Touch. And here, we're just going to use the same two screws over here to secure this on top of the CR Touch and just tighten this in place. And let's do the other screw real quick. By the way, I will leave the link to the piece if you want to download this. I've also made a video showing how you can design this in Fusion 360. I will leave both in the description, and if you want to download that or try it for yourself, please feel free. So now we've tightened these up, and here is a pen. Just find a nice grippy pen, something with a good grip on it, and we will put that over here. And then this is the nut that will secure it in place. So we'll just tighten this on top. And that's it. Now it's all done. Just make sure the pen is aligned well with the nozzle level. And then also, you can see here that the CR Touch can still function just fine without any distraction. So you can see this is really simple and easy. You don't have to modify anything on the printer. And make sure the pen alignment is on the 0, so the same alignment as the nozzle. And I'll do another video probably showing you how all this works. But for this video, just wanted to show you how to install this piece and give you the link if you want to download it for yourself. This is it for this one. Make sure it's tight and nice, and also make sure the pen has some grip on it. Do not pick a slippery pen. This is it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.